Adam, a very quick one. It is a very sad occurrence and sad happenings in Imo State as it affects wanton extrajudicial killing of presumed innocent citizens. Because before you can say that this person is an armed robber, this person is a criminal, the court of competent jurisdiction must have pronounced it so. But unfortunately, in Imo State, we have a situation whereby the Imo State Police Command will attack, arrest, and execute people they suspected to be Ipob, ESN, or whatever name that pleases them to tag them. And then, before you know it, such people have been executed. I want to make this clear. My organization, and of course, every human rights organization, do not support violence, do not support criminality, do not support any form of breaking the law. And as far as we don't support criminality and any form of breaking the law, we also insist and persist that the full course of justice must run before somebody is tagged armed robber, criminal, Ipob or ESN or what have you. A competent court of jurisdiction must have declared it so. And in Imo State, for instance, when you have a problem with somebody, the person will write a petition to police, especially Tiger Base, that you are Ipob, and they don't ask questions. Once there is a petition on their table that you are Ipob, my brother, it can only take the mercy of God or probably intervention of people like our human rights organization to save you. Or else, it has happened to us in several locations. Only one guy had it in Akabo. Now we tell you the kind of police command we have in Imo State. You know, the guy had it in Akabo when a shop na Amajon there, and our Amajon now the police, which we have condemned and we keep condemning. Now the guy is because shop here on Amajon, and because only the repetition against that guy, that guy Ipob, ESN, Babuwe, just like that. Recently, Neke Eziama here Zumbise. Only one guy, Anna John Bosco, Onwacha, 34 years old guy. Only computer ehana eke Eziama there. Meba ne print ma bana ma poster on a chair, typewriting, photocopy machine, no charia, you know, ne Eziama there. So before now, the family we had before the family abia like 2 weeks. Emere that boy arrest na shop there. Emere arrest na shop there. Abera there may arrest. Me me shop. You know, handcuff wire, warrior, tina moto, buri abia wo in the Tiger Base. So omela 2 weeks before the family now came to Nchekwando Benya Foundation. Then we took up the matter. I called the CP, referred to Ola. I talked to Ala, or say no Sala. I should talk to the IPO. I talked to the IPO. Now, Guinea, the family bera chopota no Tiger Base berija mbe ha horo press release from the PPRO Imo State, Henry Okoye, where Henry Okoye said, Imo Police Command press release of Tuesday, 3rd June 2025. Crackdown on terror. Imo Police bust Ipob ESN camp. Ganonte. Crackdown on terror. Imo Police bust Ipob ESN camp. Arrest gunmen and accomplices. In a sustained effort to restore peace and security across Imo State, operatives of the Imo State Police Command's anti-kidnapping unit, Tiger Base, acting on credible intelligence, successfully conducted coordinated operations targeting notorious criminal elements in Ahia Zumbise and in Jaba LGA. During a targeted operation at a Keziama in Ahia Zumbise LGA on 31st 05/2025, John Bosco Onwacha, age 34, of Ihitafuku, Ahia Zumbise, and his cohorts opened fire on the line, opened fire on the operatives. In the ensuing gunfight, Onwacha sustained a leg injury before he was apprehended, while others escaped to the adjoining bushes. He is linked to multiple violent attacks that have claimed the lives of security personnel and traditional leaders in Mbise axis. Now, personally, I and my team, we went down to Ekeziama to inquire. On that 31st, January, February, March, April, May, yes. On that 31st of May, and when he had the open fire na the entire market. Ndeni nebera had that day, when he had the open fire. I hold the police, I hold the saying the unknown gunmen, but in here that day, Ndebra made this guy arrest. The boy shop here no nelu computer this thing because I met Ragan office here. We went into the shop, saw how it was ransacked. You know, we saw how it was ransacked and everything. I think I will post the video here. We saw how it was ransacked and everything. Na Ekezia Madia. Ma John dem madu say one mezuoku we are carrying out a thorough investigation. Ayacho hechi asina anyi na defend ndoshi ma wundama. People said there was nothing like open fire. Even the IPO, member of the IPOG this case, same non-so, there was nothing like open fire. But Henry Okoye, who takes pleasure in tagging every criminality in Imo, but he takes pleasure in tagging every criminality in Imo as IPOB ESN. How can somebody arrest in a shop here, open the fire with his cohorts? I went to Ekeziama somewhere we will say they opened fire and some ran into the joining bushes. Henry Okoye is doing more harm than good to the security issues in Imo State. Henry Okoye is doing more harm than good to the security issues in Imo. Henry Okoye na Imo State here. Itofegi or IPOB Zurie or ESN Zurie. I am not saying, you know, that in a Ocean is Imo State, but we have Imo State. Now, like Ria, we want you to go to stop tagging Imo State here, IPOB, because before IPOB came, Ndoshi Sugenimo. Before IPOB, Ndoshi Dezu. But to Henry Okoye, the PPRO of Imo State, anything criminality in Imo State is IPOB. That is why we are saying that guy should be removed from Imo State. That guy is doing more harm than good as PPRO Imo State. Now, look at items recovered at the scene included 1 GMPG gun, 2 chain magazines loaded with 200 rounds of live ammunition, 1 AK-47 rifle without a breech number, 56 rounds of live ammunition, and 4 magazines. I will post that in now. I will post the shop so that unu jirani unu mana ma odiri hende di otu ihe ashe butre. Ihe ashe butre na aka ha ma ono na oga no na shop ha, because one, I said that the guy dey jida shop teacher computer training. No na computer training. So oburu onye na computer training at that shop where the police attacked and arrested him. Onwere ike ikwe external individuals, external bodies na bata dia agara onye dowara odiri henda police kpara aha here now. Onye dowara odiri henda police kpara aha here now. Amami na gote bem neje. So we went to an onwere zone webru anakpo ya Banners Plaza. Yes, Banners Plaza okwe be side ebe ahia Zumisa. So anya ga ebe ahụ onwe buru shop. Anya ga ebe ahụ discreetly. John dem mada ajụjụ John Bosco awu onye olutunu shimata ya. Ha sị na the guy na-agara onwe. The guy na-agara onwe. That was what people said. The guy na-emegede na-agara onwe. Then anya agazi n'ụlọ ha n'ihite afọ ukwu. N'ụlọ ha agbara ọkụ. you know, police asị na ọwụ ha gbara ọkụ nọ ndị obodo na the guy na aka ya so na eze egburu ma jụọ biko na nwere eze egburu around this area ha sị na onwe ihe dịka na egburu eze here amami na aghọta ihe m na-ekwu. So anyị achọpụta from our investigation my team gara n'ahịa Zumbise this guy aka ya anọghị na criminality ọsọ ka da boy gbara mgbe a gbara ụlọ ha ọkụ nke mbụ. The only thing ndị mmadụ kwuru ewu na onye a na-enyo enyo bụ ọpara nnie. That's the only thing people kwuru. Na onye a na-enyo enyo bụ ọpara nnie mana ọ bụrụ maka this John Bosco aka ya mere gịnị rịọcha. That was the investigation gathered. Now police eburu this guy Henry Okoye a concord to this violative and violating human rights press release. Boy the boy Nishi. When you guys the police, I want to come and see the guy. I saw no logo, no mega statement. Chalk on my face Tiger Base agba ya egbe. Mgbe m nụrụ agba ya egbe ka m ji ma na Igbo ole ihe. Mgbe m nụrụ agba ya egbe Tiger Base a na-agba gị egbe gbajie gị ụkwụ. Ha na-agba gị ka agbagbuo gị. Tiger Base ada agba gị agba mmadụ egbe ka agbajie ya ụkwụ ma ọ gbajie ya aka. They shoot to kill. They don't shoot to wound or injure. Finally, I confirmed that the boy Ebuole. The only thing okay, they can show me the video of his confession. About the confession that he confessed to being this. He confessed. Of course, I need now that Tiger Base is not anything ever from Tiger Base is Giga's confession. Even when you now no, this is not confession. Okwagala prison. No, within the Tiger Base. So we know their system and not actually operate. So what am I saying? That this young man, Eburu, without recourse to justice, we will not forget. We will not forget. That in Beni Nakahade, na the killing of innocent Imolites, a day is coming when you will all come and explain Ndunu Buru and Ndunu Nebu. A day is coming. And I am calling upon all well-meaning Nimolites to speak out. Imam Oga one negechi, Imam Oga one pagimo one magechi, one negiwanyechi, Imam Oga upanugechi. We need to speak out against this evil. Tiger Base has committed atrocities in Imo State. Tiger Base has committed atrocities in Imo State. And the day shall come when they will all come and stand and tell the world what they have done. Do the rune.